Welcome back, everyone. So, my previous video, I talked about doing a weekly update, which this is going to be doing. And I also did tweaking my portfolio where today sold two stocks and replaced them with two stocks. And then I walked you through how to sell a stock and purchase one because I set one up. So, tomorrow I will be selling General Dynamics and adding Good, which is Gladstone Commercial, which is a REIT that pays 8% yield, which is amazing, and they've done it for a long, long time. Um, so there's some tweaks to my portfolio that I'm doing. I'm not going to guarantee I'm not going to do more, but in the long run, I'm really hoping to get to a point where I'm not going to be selling anything ever, especially in my Roth. But right now, I just started it, so I'm going to be doing some tweaking. Anyway, let's get to the updates. So, as you can see, the stock market has not been nice to my portfolio so far. I'm down more than 2141. I'm actually down 23 something. Basically, I've deposited $2,020. Well, let's just go to my sheet. That way we can do this right. So my total investments are 1959.14. And it doesn't like pasting. Okay, fine. 1959.14. And the current value, nope, not there, here, is 1935.49. So I am down $23.65 in value. I mean, it's not bad for, it's not great. I'm down 1.5%, basically is what this is saying, but a little more than what this says. And I believe all this is because of that penny rounding, and I have 100 stocks, and so it just messes up some. I've earned a total of $1.92 in dividends so far. I have not been paid any of those. No dividend payments. Okay. Um, the reason I have $60.86 in my portfolio right now is because Monday is a holiday, but it's not a market holiday, which means the market's still open. They're still going to be trading, but it is a holiday for like banks, and so they won't be able to do deposits that day. So what they did is they automatically pulled Monday's deposit today and just threw it in cash. And that way, Monday they'll be able to do my trades that for my deposit. Um, yeah. So portfolio wise, let's look at our biggest winners and losers so far. So boom. So our biggest winner. Wow, I actually considered selling this one, um, but definitely considered decided against it. Anyways, and that doesn't mean nothing. I mean, it's just my current highest. But so far, this is my biggest winner. It's up 5.91%, which is a whopping 80 cents at this point. And Chevron and Edison International. So all three of these are my highest winners. My losers so far are Leggett and Platt, Pepsi, and Southside Bankshores. And they're down quite a bit, 8.68%, 7.75, and 6.85. I got a lot of losses here. So the market is not being nice to me at the moment. And this is my gain or return. If you come into the actual deal, what it'll do is it takes your average share price from all of your buys. So my average price to buy Leggett and Platt is 44.72, and it's currently at 41.93. So if I come into my buys, I paid 45. 45.04, 45.68, 45.04, 44.44. So yeah, that looks accurate to me. So my average is 44.72, and the price has dropped, and I've lost money. So anyway, yeah, those are my biggest losers right now. I may still tweak a little bit on these here. If you're interested, by the way, these are the 100 years, the dividend, the companies that paid out over 100 years. All of these right here. They haven't all grown, but a lot of them have, like Coke, Colgate. Whoops, undo that. Coke, Colgate, Edison, Exxon, General Mills, PPG, Procter Gamble, Black and Decker. I mean, these ones have grown their dividend for a lot of years, like 50, 60 years out of those 100 that they've been paying a consistent dividend. So they're great companies to have. So I just added these three, and I would like to have these other ones for the consistency, but it's just not the right time. Like this one is York Water. Its yield is only 2.22% right now. It has grown its dividend for the past 16 years, which is great. LLY only 2.13, and most of these haven't grown. UGI is amazing that it's grown its yield for 32 years, but the yield right now is only 1.92. It's gross dividend, sorry, not yield. So yeah, these just are not paying enough right now in yield. They're not great starting yields for me. So for anything over 4 is a great starting yield for me right now in this market, and 8 is absolutely amazing. So anyways, that's the update for now, guys. Let's see, is there anything else I want to talk about? Not at the moment. In the future, I'll probably let me see here. Yeah, in the future, I'll probably start doing a little more about each stock. I'm not sure when I'm going to do that, but General Dynamics, we're going to make that one red because we are selling it tomorrow. And I'll leave the oranges in there for now because they're still under consideration for future changes, maybe. So yeah. And there's no reason for these to be green now. I own them. Done. All right. Anyway, what I was going to say is in the future, I have plans to go through companies, sort those, and we'll go through each company. Well, I don't know, over a long period of time. I guess it's going to take me to do this, and I'll go through why I own it, my personal analysis on that company, why I think it's a great investment, and why I'm confident to stick with it even in a market downturn and continue buying more shares. Because that is the most important thing with dividend investing, is that it is a strong company that when we have a market downturn, you want to buy more because they're on sell, rather than get scared that you're losing money and sell it off because you never know what's going to happen and it might go bankrupt and that type of stuff. So none of these companies are going bankrupt. Well, I'm not going to say none, but anyways, you get the point. So that's all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching again. I know I'm not the greatest at YouTube or these videos. Bear with me. I'm sure I'll get better in the future. Right now I'm working on ideas for videos and different ways to add stuff and all that good stuff. Getting to YouTube monetization nowadays is kind of insane. That probably won't happen for me for many years. I mean, you need like outrageous stuff. Anyway, and I'm not really doing it for that. I'm doing this to track my portfolio and help anybody out there who's just getting started in dividend investing or investing in general. And if you guys do have any questions and are curious about anything at all concerning investing in stocks, let me know and I'll get you an answer. So yeah, have a good weekend, guys.